Hello, my name is Vipul, and in this video we are going to talk about sequence generator transformation. So we have seen already transformations like joiner transformation, rank transformation, aggregator transformation, filter transformation and router transformation in our previous videos. Now what is sequence generator transformation? As the name suggests, sequence generator generates a sequence in a particular fashion. As per the criteria we set, it generates a sequence for the records in the target. So let's say if we have a source table having 15 records in the source table and we want to sequence each of those records while loading in the target, then we will have to use the sequence generator transformation. Let's see how we use it. First of all, let's go in the database and quickly look at the condition of the data. So we will be using these two tables, vemp, in which we have the data of 15 records. This will be our source table, and vemp target1, this will be our target table. It has no record at this moment, but here we have an extra column which says S number. This is sequence number. This column is not in vemp. Reason to have this column in target table is to store those sequence values that sequence transformation is going to generate for us. So let's go in the Power Center Designer now. Here we create a new mapping first of all. I hope this is open. Yes. So we go and create a new mapping by the name m_m target _ sequence. It has already been taken. So let's give some new name. Maybe we can give SEEQ. And that's it. So for this mapping, we are now inside this mapping, we are going to drag our source table, that is v_emp. Along with qualifier, we can just resize it. And we are going to drag the target table in which we want to store the data. So as we see here, we have this column S number as an extra column which we don't have in the source. Now we create a transformation, the sequence generator transformation. We give it the name trn_emp target_seq. Once we create it, we change the properties in such a way that the sequence starts from 1 and gets incremented by 1. We can put whatever number we like to let the sequence be incremented by. If we, let's say, put here 10 and we put in this value as 10, then the sequence will start from 10 and the next record will be 20, then 30 and then 40 and so on. So for now, let's keep it 1, increment by 1, and that's it. So rest of the values can remain as it is. Once this is created, we join the serial number column to the next val column of the transformation, and rest of the columns, because we want to receive the data as it is, we are going to just join these columns to the columns of the transformation. So now once the design in the designer is ready, we save it. All the objects go in the repository, and now we go in the workflow designer window. In the workflow designer window, here we create a new workflow by the name wf_emp target_sequence. Okay, we have already, it's been taken, so let's SEQQ maybe, and for this we create a new session task inside this workflow by the name sys underscore and target underscore sequence, let's say SEQQ maybe, and we join it to this mapping that we created. Once done, we then join it with the help of a line, and we set the connection values. First of all, before saving, we set the connection values. For the target, we set Oracle target. For a source, we set Oracle source. This is done, and we then save all the objects in repository. Now we run our workflow, and we go in the monitor window. Here we just try to refresh it once again, because there was a previous run here some time back. So that's the one. It has succeeded here. That's what it says. The session M targets SEQQ, that has succeeded. Let's go in the database and check. So this is the target where we wanted the values. Let's go in the data, and here it is. The last column sequence number is having all the values generated in a particular sequence from 1 until 15. So this is how we use sequence generator transformation. Alright, thank you.